guys, today we will be playing War Thunder. It's a military game. It has naval, army, and air force. I actually have my joystick connected to the air force. And it might be very laggy for you guys, and it's laggy for me too. So sorry about that. But right now for tank stuff, because then I'm probably gonna change it for that. Okay, so, and just so you know, yesterday in one of my videos I mentioned that that when I played Wings of Glory, that's basically War Thunder for Roblox. Well, this is the actual thing. Give me a second. Okay. Now, I've played this for 12 hours total, but let's just play this. To battle. And now I got my joystick here, ready. Move my mouse over here. There we go. Joystick ready. It's very laggy though. That's the only thing I don't like. Changing perspectives. Now, no first person. Can I go in first person? Thank you. I'm gonna go for the ground targets, most likely. I'm not that good with the joystick. Better. Yeah, no, I'm really bad at this. Oh my, this bad. Oh my god. Perspective. Oh crap, 9Gs, 9Gs. Don't touch it. Okay, I'm taking on this guy. Taking on this guy. Right here, open fire, open fire! Ah, no! I take out this biplane, but I suck at this. Oh crap, tail gunner, tail gunner. That means I got someone on my tail. Not good. That's bad. Tail gunner, do your thing. Turn. Oh, crap, rudder, 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 rudder. This isn't good, this isn't good. I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this. This is really bad. Basic maneuvers. Mayday, mayday. We're going down, we're going down, we're going down. Psych. Drop bombs. Pull up. I'm panicking. Don't know what to do. Ah, crap. BF-109. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That thing can destroy. Ah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Goodbye. As for right to shoot. Mayday, mayday, we're going down, I can't control it. Ah! Now I'm gonna play with my mouse instead. So that hopefully it might be easier. Let's just try it. I think I'm gonna go, yeah. F3, F2, let's just try it. Yeah, this already feels a lot better. This feels like a million times better already. Whipping it. I'm trying to whip it. To whip it around. Okay, so. Pull up. What am I doing? Just headed to battle. Open fire. 2 shots in there. And he's already dead. Now I can actually shoot stuff. Oh, that's not good. That's right. But I don't like this. Pull up! Tried to do some amazing moves there. I don't know if they work or not. Where are they? And they're right behind me, aren't they? Yeah! Ah, 19! Ah, I'm dead! Ah, I'm dead. Not like this. Maybe I should be a bomber. I'm gonna be a bomber here. B-18. Just gonna be a bomber, my joystick here. Maybe that can actually do some stuff. Oh crap, forgot about that. Don't we have a periscope? Yeah, we do. I think you drop bombs pressing that. And no throttle. We're gonna try to stall here. We're gonna try to stall it, because why not? What button is it drop bombs? It's this? I think it's probably that. What button is it to drop bombs? I have no idea. Oh, Stop, come on, yes, it's stall it. Why am I trying to stall this thing? Full speed ahead. What button is it to drop bombs? Ah, which perspective? Oh wait, dive bomb. I'm gonna try to dive bomb. I know it's not gonna end well though. Open fire! Ah! Help me! Ah, no! Ah, come on, get down. We're going. Oh crap! Help! I don't like this. Get down! I don't like this. Keep doing your thing, tail gunner. And we'll try to fake him out. Dive bomb! Get down, bomb! I'm gonna fake him out here. I'm trying to. Pull up! Try to fake him out to 10 G's! Now World War I plane, that is a lot. I'm dead. I am dead. I am literally dead right now. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Yeah. Just trying not to die. Don't even know what I'm doing. Just moving my joystick randomly. And I'm dead. I'm going back to mouse since I can actually kind of use that. To battle. Full thread. What's our altitude? Okay, sorry guys. And we're dead. That's not good. Yeah, it turns out the joystick doesn't work very well with this game. I mean, it probably does with other ones, but I had to wing it for this. If I had a tutorial on how to do it, which I did, but they didn't help at all. It would have been a lot better. Not gonna lie. Escape, escape. Can I escape, please? Ah! Ooh. Mm. Let's get this guy. Order. Yeesh. Okay. Escape. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video here, guys, since I'm really bad at War Thunder. I mean, that was a surprise to me. Okay, so see ya, guys. The video on your left is a video that YouTube recommends for you, and and click on the icon on the right to subscribe to my channel. And see you guys either later today or tomorrow. See ya.